video. Jordan here, back on the Stoltz Farm YouTube channel, unloading the Kenworth semi right now. We are still combining wheat. Want to do something a little bit different today, so starting in the next clip, you're going to see, at least for the truck unloading portion of today's video, a first-person view of farming in North Dakota in September. For wheat harvest, first-person view. You're going to see it from my perspective. This video will span over a couple days. We'll shift into some other stuff in the later half of this video. To start though, first person farming 2023, truck unloading edition. Let's go.
I say hold up, got my glizzy, bang, bang.
Okay folks, drizzly day today. It is Sunday morning and we are several days removed from that first person footage that began the video. That was, I believe, Monday or Tuesday last week. Combining for small grains, which means barley, wheat, and canola. Specifically the wheat was finished on Tuesday. So the very next day, finished up some patches. That Monday that those shots were taken was pretty much like the final day of the big combining. And then we had a little bit of stuff here and there that wasn't quite ripe enough. We hit those up and wheat is done just in time. We've been getting rain for the past 4 or 5 days. Still kind of drizzly out today, really gray, muddy. I know the town near us got something like 3.5 inches of rain over the last few days. We were definitely not that much, probably around the couple inch mark, but still a lot of rain that would have shut down combining. So it's a very good thing we finished up the wheat when we did, and we're able to kind of take a break from harvesting and not worry about getting in the fields with the weather and everything. So soybeans are next. We only have soybeans and sunflowers left and about 200 acres of each. So not huge crops, especially of soybeans. We'll probably rip through the soybeans in a few days whenever we actually start. And the sunflower is about 220 acres as well, which isn't a lot total, but we do go 8 rows at a time with sunflowers. So it could take a little bit longer, but nothing crazy like the wheat and barley and canola were as far as acreage is concerned. So today we're just gonna odd job it a little bit to finish out the video, go over to the farmyard, work on some things. We do have to change the concaves and the combines, but not in this rain and mud. We're gonna do it another time. For now, probably some shop work and shed work. Enjoy. Let's get started with day 2 of the video. Folks, we got the 8770 here in the shed, kind of one that's tall enough for it to get in here with the pipe that sticks up. We're gonna change oil on it. Check out a little squeak that kind of happens when you work with this one. It might be no big deal, but it's a good time with the rain just to kind of do some maintenance on these tractors. Actually, what we didn't film in the last few days and the last few videos was that a lot of the time while we were combining, we also had a tractor going in the field with the harrow, the disc, or the cultivator. So we were working up a lot of the dirt from the stuff that we already harvested, the stubble. So we were cultivating a little bit, usually harrowing is what we were choosing to do. And this tractor and the 8870 have been doing that because the 9520 has been on grain cart duty. What I'm gonna do is actually wash off one of the combines. It's been super dusty, especially with the canola, so they're pretty dirty. And it's a rainy day, so it's a good time to wash them off as long as we don't go tearing down the road in the mud with them. But anyways, that's what's gonna go on. Oil is gonna be changed in the 8770. I'm gonna go fuel up the steam pressure washer, and we're gonna clean off, I believe, the 9760.